Don't become a victim of fraud. We understand that living and working in a new country can be both exciting and challenging. However, it is important to stay vigilant to avoid falling victims to fraud. In this guide, we'll provide you with valuable tips on how to protect yourself from various types of scam. Fake website and other internet scam. Criminals can easily replicate legitimate website or create ones that appears highly professional. This website might assert their affiliations with other official government of Canada or its partner. Other could promise executive immigration deals or guaranteed high-paying jobs. These tactics are designed to deceive individuals into parting with their money. To safeguard yourself, be mindful of the following. 1. Be wary of unusual offer. Be cautious if a website promises special deals for immigration purposes. Avoid paying for guarantees of a swift entry to Canada or expedite application processing. These claims are often untrue. 2. Verify the web address. Always double-check the web address displayed on your browser address bar when you accessing a website. It should be matched the address you initially entered. 3. Additional protective measure. Secure connection. Only provide private informations. If you see a padlock symbol on the browser window or if a web address begins with HTTP, indicating a secure connection. Email scam. You might receive an email that appears to be sent by a legitimate company or a government of Canada. These emails could request confidential details like your birthday, password, or credit card information. In some cases, the email may direct you to a fake website. Indicators that an email might be a scam include the email dispatch from a personal address or free webmail domain. Example, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, or Gmail, rather than gc.ca or canada.ca, Government of Canada email account. The emails opens with generic greetings like Dear Customer instead of addressing you by your actual name. Note, certain automated emails are addressed as Dear Client. If you receive such an email, confirm its source as a Government of Canada email account. The sender requests personal information such as birthday, password, credit card details, or bank informations. The email catches you off guard. You are not anticipating it. The message is an image instead of a standard text. Note, they will never distribute visas via email. Examples of email scam. Phone scam. Telephone scam can be exploited by individuals aiming to extract your funds or manipulate your identity. You should be very careful of scams asking for details like your credit card, bank account numbers, or any other payment-related informations. Remember, no one can guarantee your job or visa to Canada. Only immigration officer in Canada or Canadian embassies, high commissions, and consulate can decide to issue a visa. Processing fees are all the same for all the services in Canada around the world. Fees in local currencies are based on the official exchange rate. They are the same amount as fees in Canadian dollars. The Canada government asks you to pay fees for Canadian government service to Receiver General for Canada unless they state something different on your visa official website. Canada employees will never ask you to deposit money into a personal bank account, ask you to transfer money through private money transfer service, threaten you, offer special deals to people who want to migrate, or use free email services such as Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo Mail to contact you. Report suspicious activity. If you encounter anything suspicious, report it to the local authorities, the Canadian Anti-Fraud Centre of the Canada government main webpage, or on the phone. Migrant workers play an essential role in Canada workforce, and your safety and well-being are important. By staying informed and taking precautions, you can protect yourself from falling victims to fraud. Remember, if someone feels too good to be true or seems suspicious, it's crucial to investigate further before taking any actions.